everyone! Exploring the composition and structure of Earth's interior is a captivating scientific pursuit. Although we cannot observe what lies beneath the surface, scientists use inventive methods to unveil the mysteries concealed within our planet. Let's take a look at some of the ways we explore Earth's interior. Seismic waves. When an earthquake occurs, it generates seismic waves that travel through Earth and across its surface. Seismographs strategically placed around the world detect these waves. Two types of seismic waves are particularly useful. P waves. These are the fastest seismic waves, traveling 6 to 7 kilometers, approximately 4 miles per second. P waves move in a compression-expansion motion, squeezing and uncoiling Earth materials. They slightly bend when transitioning from one layer to another. As they encounter the liquid outer core less rigid than the mantle, they slow down, resulting in a P wave shadow zone. S waves are about half as fast as P waves, traveling at approximately 3.5 kilometers, about 2 miles per second. They move in an up and down motion perpendicular to the direction of wave travel. Unlike P waves, S waves cannot travel through liquids. By analyzing seismic waves, scientists infer information about Earth's interior. Indirect methods. Rocks provide some clues but mainly reveal information about the outer crust. Occasionally, minerals like diamonds surface from deeper layers, crust or mantle. Scientists rely on seismic waves, gravity studies, and magnetic analysis to study the more distant mantle and core. These indirect methods help us understand the composition and properties of Earth's interior. Remember, just as doctors use MRI, CT scans, or X-rays to visualize our bodies, scientists use energy seismic waves to see the different layers of Earth.